All right, S9. Now we're going to go into deeper parts of the product property. You were able to recognize which ones they were in S8. And so product. Product means to multiply, right? Multiply. Okay, so if we have, let me just give you some examples. If we have x to the third times x to the second, because we are multiplying like bases, what do we do to the exponents? What would this equal? It would equal x to the 5. How did we get 5? We added the exponents because we were multiplying the bases. So y to the 10th times y to the second equals not y to the 20th, but y to the 12th. Okay? And what do logarithms, what's another word for logarithm? Exponent, right? So we are going to be rewriting these logarithms using the product property. Okay? So this y and x are being multiplied right now. To rewrite it, and there's a reason why we're going to be doing this, but you're not going to actually be seeing it on this lesson. But to rewrite it, you take a log of y, you put a plus sign, and a log of x. This plus sign means that the y and the x were being multiplied originally with one log instead of two. Okay. If we have a base and we are rewriting these using properties, you have to put the base with both parts. So log base 8 of u plus log base 8 of v. Because we're adding, it really didn't matter the u and the v in the order, but if we're subtracting, it does matter, so I'm going to go ahead and change that, even though what I had was perfectly correct. Now, these are being added right now, and we want to put them as one log instead of two. Since we are adding, what are we going to do with the 5 and the 7? We are going to multiply them and get one log instead of two. We're adding. These are like bases. So we keep the base and we multiply the 8 and the 7 and get 56. That's it.